It doesn't matter if you are a seasoned driver, a new driver, a pro driver, the ultimate goal of this whole setup here is to improve your lap times. What's up guys, it's Josh from KDM Tuners and we're here live at Buttonwillow in Southern California to reveal for the first time our Neotech Trackside Support trailer. Today we'll be working on the S2000, review some data, make some changes inside the trailer, and the goal today is to lower the lap times. So let me take you on inside and give you a look around. Let's go, check it out. Alright, so now that we've got our data off the car, we went ahead and took the suspension off the car. So we need to disassemble all the components that are on the shock body so we can mount this in the shock dyno and then show you guys how that works. So Jake here is going to go ahead and start disassembling this shock unit. So the next step in the process is to put the shock on the shock dyno, so that way we can check the characteristics of the shock before we make any changes to the shock. The next step in the process after the shock dyno is to disassemble the shock. We typically only do this if we find that there needs to be a change. All the components that are on the shock have to come off the shock before it can get to the next step of the process, where we take all the nitrogen gas out of the cylinder and then continue on with the disassembly of the shock. This isn't something that a normal shock company or someone at the track would do. Something like this that you see here is what you would see multi-million-dollar race programs do in between their sessions at their events. That's what's unique about Neotech and what they're providing all of you guys as Neotech customers and dealers is this kind of level of sophistication and shock assembly and support. All right, so now we've taken you behind the scenes to show you a little bit of our process on the Trackside Support trailer. So make sure that you keep an eye out for the Trackside Support trailer at a track near you. And if you want more information, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Neotech USA.